Hello, it's Gilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a pour on a 60 by 30. It was a canvas that I failed on, so I scraped the paint off and into a jug. So I'll reuse the paint at a later date, but my camera wasn't filming and there was a few things that didn't turn out as I would have liked them to. So I'm going to start again. This is just basically white with a bit of metallic silver in it, so it gives it, an off-white, plus gives it the sparkling effect. And I'm just going to spread this out over my canvas roughly with the spatula, this offset spatula. So I'll do it quickly. I'm not going to worry about the edges at this point. And what I'm going to do is I've got some, it's called Dark Sea, and I mixed it with some iridescent medium. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit in there, not too much, but just to make my background sort of so it's not just all white. I did this the other day with the gold in the background as well with a cream, and it turned out really beautiful. So it just gives it a little bit of a different background. You'll see it'll all come together, hopefully. Right. Now I'm going to do a nice swipe colour down the centre. That colour's so nice, so nice. Believe it or not, I'm going to give this is burnt sienna with a good lump of gold in it. And I did have some burnt umber, but it's gone all blobby. I don't know why, because I mixed the same medium, but sometimes if I just leave it and stir it and then the next day it seems to, so I don't want to really risk too much of it, but I wanted that colour in there, believe it or not. I'll leave that like that, and then I will add a little bit of the phthalo blue. And I'll put the gold in here. This is a champagne gold. You'll see it'll all come together, she says. Rightio. And what I'm going to do for starters is I'm going to use this Amsterdam black, and it's just mixed with Australian Floetrol to give me some cell action. So I'm going to just do that on half of this canvas. I won't okay, so I've got a little swipey tool here and I'm going to start swiping. I might even do it with my thicker one instead of little fine streaks. So I'll use this, it's a soft plastic file divider, the same. I just find them absolutely perfect for swiping. Oh, look at those colours. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, they're really loads of metallic coming through in there because of the iridescent medium and the metallic gold and silver that I've added to some paints. That colours are beautiful. Colour do I want? I'm going to use my little, I was going to use my hairdryer, but I'm not going to use my little, it's just a stainless steel straw with a silicone end that I got from the discount store for drinking, but I'm using it the opposite way. So here we go. I will just add a little bit more of that black in here so I can get some nice cell action. Oh. Ooh, they're nice and very nice. But I still want to add to it. This is the little piece of the soft plastic that I'm just going to use as a swipey tool to add myself some more wisps. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's super cute. I'll bring you down, you'll see the detail in it. This has kind of gone into like weird shaped stars and things, so there must be, not sure if I use different mediums in these, some of these paints that I've had mixed in the bottles a while. But you'll see when I bring it down. Wow, okay. I'm going to use my balloon. You don't have to do this, I just want to embellish. I'm going to, it's me deflated balloon. This balloon's got no water in. Sometimes balloons this small like this, I just put water in, but I'm not got any in this one. So this will just break up. Now when I did this before in different colours, it's pictures up on my Acrylic Art Facebook page. I had so many comments of what people could see in it. They've seen, some seen demons, some seen birds, but it's strange what can appear in your artwork when you're doing this form of artwork. So I'm not going to add any more. That's just beautiful as it is. I'm just going to whiz over with my heat wand. Somebody said they look like dancing ladies too from there. So I'm going to bring you down, but that is absolutely gorgeous. So I think when it dries, I will go around my edges with the dark sea all the way around, but that is absolutely beautiful. Bring you down. Wow, this is gorgeous. You see, just doing that different bit of background, sort of looks wishy-washy, but it's better than just plain old white or grey. Look at those little embellishments in there. I think I could probably go over the balloon kisses. See, they don't actually look like balloon kisses, which is absolutely perfect for this type. They've just separated that sort of lumpiness that from the swipe area. But so much, look at that in those, because of the Amsterdam paint mixed with Floetrol. Also my Montmartre pouring medium that I make creates that same effect too. So, look at this, it's not actual circles down here. They're sort of gone into all sorts of weird and wonderful shapes. But up there, it's a different story. Strange really, but yeah, the metallics are just glistening. There's little champagne cells in there too. So the colours are pretty gorgeous. I love it. I really love that. I really hope you love this too. Hope you have a go at it. Please let me know what you think. There'll be the dried photos on at the end, so stay on till the end please. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing, but it helps me out. And I also like to leave a message that if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend Or if that isn't available to you, a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. Bye for now.